The American dream, a beacon of hope, a promise of prosperity, a vision that has inspired generations. It beckons people from all corners of the globe, calling them to a land of opportunity. They arrive on American shores with dreams in their hearts and aspirations in their eyes, ready to embrace a new beginning, seeking a better life for themselves, for their families, for future generations. This dream, however, often comes at a price. The journey is filled with obstacles. The path to achieving it is rarely straightforward. It requires resilience and determination. The journey can be arduous, testing the limits of one's endurance, especially when it comes to navigating the complexities of the U.S. immigration system. The paperwork, the legalities, the endless waiting. This is where expert guidance becomes invaluable. A helping hand in times of uncertainty. Like a seasoned guide through treacherous terrain, they provide the support and knowledge needed. Expert immigration help can transform the daunting into the achievable, turning dreams into reality, making the impossible possible. The U.S. immigration system is a complex tapestry of laws, regulations, and procedures. It is a multifaceted network that requires a deep understanding to navigate successfully. It's a labyrinth that can easily overwhelm even the most prepared individuals. Application forms seem endless, and the process can feel like an insurmountable challenge. Each form comes with its own nuances and potential pitfalls, making the journey even more daunting. The fear of making a mistake, of jeopardizing their dreams, weighs heavily on applicants. The stakes are incredibly high, and the pressure can be immense. This is where expert immigration help steps in, providing clarity amidst confusion, confidence amidst uncertainty. They offer a beacon of hope in a sea of complexity. Experienced immigration professionals understand the intricacies of the system. They have the knowledge and expertise to navigate the laws and regulations effectively. They are adept at handling the paperwork, meeting deadlines, and ensuring compliance with all requirements. Their efficiency can make a world of difference. With their guidance, the immigration process becomes less daunting, more manageable. They transform a seemingly impossible task into a feasible journey, providing support every step of the way. Section 4. Empowering Dreams, the NavasAutomation Advantage. NavasAutomation embodies this commitment to empowering dreams. They provide personalized immigration solutions driven by technology, committed to excellence. Their team of experienced immigration attorneys and professionals are dedicated to helping individuals navigate the complexities of the U.S. immigration system. They offer a comprehensive suite of services, from visa applications to green card processing, from citizenship guidance to deportation defense. Section 5. Simplifying the complex. The I-539 example. Consider the I-539 form, a common yet complex form used for various applications, including extending or changing non-immigrant status. It can be a daunting task for individuals unfamiliar with immigration jargon and procedures. NavasAutomation simplifies this process. Their platform guides applicants through each section of the form, providing clear explanations and ensuring accuracy. This meticulous approach minimizes errors, reduces processing times, and increases the likelihood of a successful outcome. Section 6. Your American Dream awaits. Take the first step. The American dream is within your reach. Don't let the complexities of the immigration system deter you. Seek expert guidance. Let professionals navigate the labyrinth while you focus on your goals. NavasAutomation is here to help you achieve your American dream. Schedule a consultation today. Take the first step towards a brighter future. Visit NavasAutomation.com and begin your journey.